Vote, everybody. Ah, vote. Okay, let's take a look at this SUV. I mean, just know it had Ceramic Pro Gold on it. Last January we put this on. Look at that. I mean, the shine on it is ridiculous, ridiculous. See my bald spot? I mean, gorgeous. I do great work. Now, there were some scratches and some little, sections, especially the heavy, kick-up sections where things on the road come up on the side of the vehicle. Remember, it's scratch resistant. It's not scratch proof. 4 layers of 9H and 1 layer of light. And the difference between what I do and other places, I put a new layer of light on. I'm not gonna spray that little CP sport. Fantastic.